Okay, what about this? Use the definition for work done. So what is the formula for work done? It's force times with displacement. Am I right? Which is same as energy, okay? For those who already forgot, energy means ability to do work. They are the same. And the unit that we always use is joule. But the question now, they want everything in base unit. So what is the unit for force? For those who already forgot, let's
Newton.
break down this force into a simpler formula, which is what? Mass times acceleration. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you put out the displacement. Okay, now only I fill in the unit. So mass is kg, acceleration is ms negative 2, and displacement will be meter. Am I right? And then you solve this, you get this. So which is here, already proven. They ask you to show. Okay, let's revise what we learned today. We learned about prefix, right? You have to know tera stands for 12 giga, 9, yes, mega. Yeah, very good. Next, 3 is what? Kilo. 2 is what? Hecto. I don't know whether it's in my notes or not. It's okay. It is extra. Deca is 10 to the power 1. Deci, negative 1. Centi, negative 2. Milli, negative 3. Okay, and then micro, the unit is, the symbol is like this, negative 6. Nano, negative 9. Pico will be negative 12. This is what you learn, prefix. And we learn about estimation as well. We need to roughly know the height of a person is how much? It's about 1 or 1.5 to 2 meters. 1 meter is 2 meters, okay? 1 meter is about my daughter's height, and my daughter is 6 years old. Okay, adult is about 2 meters, 1.5 to 2 meters. And the mass of a car, yes, 1,000. Okay, and then to run in 100 meters is about 10 seconds. Okay, and then the power of a bar is about 50 watt. 50 watt. Okay, now next one is about what else? The mass of an atom is about 10 to the power of negative 27 kg. Mass of an apple, 100 grams. Okay, and then the visible light, wavelength. Wavelength of a visible light is about 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. What about the Young modulus of a metal? Yes, it's about 1 to 100 gigapascal. Okay? And then we learned about A plus A is equals to B plus C. If A is an apple, your B and C must be apple. This is called homogeneity of an equation. Yes, because just now I asked you one question. If B is an orange, C is a banana, when orange plus banana, will it give you apple? Won't. All of them must be the same type. Then you can solve the calculation, correct? Now, what is potential difference?
Voltage.
What is what? Oh, cannot. 1 mark, cannot.
Oh, you give the
Other
formula.
than B goes to IR. No. This one cannot. You have to go to basic. What is voltage? Work done to carry 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another. Correct? From one point to another. Am I right? Which you learn in IGCSE as well. Come again? Huh? Q is charge, my dear friend. You can say it's a define potential difference. Yeah. You can say work done per unit charge because I'm very never mind. You try see yourself. What is the base unit? Oh, V equals to IR. They want to find R. So you use like what I did just now. You need to use these two formula. You try. I is current, oh. All this you have learned in IGCSE. You have to convert your R into base unit. You try. Yeah. You go and ask in office.
Miss
Now,
Tan,
potential difference is okay. Your answer cannot have voltage, cannot have coulomb. As I told you, base unit, you must have only the 7 unit that I showed you just now. So how to find R? So can I cancel the Q here? I cannot use this question. I cannot use this formula. I have to use another one. You know why? Because my I can't cancel it. My Q, I can't cancel my Q. Q is not base unit, oh. It's not base quantity. It's not base quantity. So we can't use this. Because Z, you can't cancel it. So use another formula then. Use power lah. Power is equals to VI, correct? And also equals to I square R. Yeah, you substitute V equals to IR into here. Okay. Cannot. IR? I square R. There's another formula V square R, but we are not using here. Because V is not a base quantity. So I want P equals to I square R. So I'm not using this also. So P equals to I square R. Why is it I use P equals to I square R? Because everything can be in base unit. What is power again? In base unit. We already found it here. Okay. What is the formula for power? What is the formula for power?
V times I, or I squared times R.
What about the basic one? If I don't want to find electrical power, I want to
Force over
power.
area.
Are you really? That's pressure, my darling.
Wait. I need my formula book. I forget already.
Force times displacement.
Force and displacement wrong. That's work.
Oh.
Wow.
Power.
Power. Energy divided by time. Oh my God. Right? Correct? Alright. So what is energy? Is it same as work? Yes or no? Yes. So what is work, force and displacement? So a quick one will be this. Am I right? Sure. I did do in part A. I did do here. The same. -3, sorry. You know what I'm talking? You tell me when -3 or -2? Okay, let's do again. Energy, force times displacement, force, mass times acceleration, mass times acceleration, divided by time again. I, unit for I, ampere. Is it the base unit? Yes. Square. And I want to find R. So I'll get what? kg and -3 divided by ampere, correct? Square. So I put it in index form. It become ampere -2. That's it. Are you guys still alive? Yeah. Yes. Look at here, okay? I already told you there's only 7 base unit.
Oh, okay.
And both is not found in here.
My brain wasn't working for a while. Sorry.
Okay. You learn something along the way. A lot or very little. Bradley, still alive?
Just the right amount.
What are you doing, Bradley?
Eating right now.
打包啊？我帮 cook.
No, mom cook.
Okay, this is a 2015 paper. They want to change it into giga. See how I do maths? Let me show you the technique of doing maths easily. Look here. Copy the question first. Do nothing. And the question, they ask you to change it to gigameter. So what is giga? But now they already substitute as giga 9. So here become -9. Because I want to remove -9 from the answers. You know what I'm talking? And then the rest copy down. Okay, solve this index. So it'll be 2. That's the answer. Easy? Huh? Okay, if you don't know what I'm talking, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meter. I don't want gigameter. I'll change this one into meter. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Giga substitute as 10 to the power of 9 meter. Is this standard form? No, I have to divide how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros, correct? I take away 4 zeros. So I have to give back the 4 zeros now. Understand? Now what if I want to change this one into gigameter then? I want to change it to gigameter now. How? I have a giga in my answers already. I have to give back. So I would put -9 instead of 9. So that I won't change the question. You know what I'm talking? And then the rest you just copy down. Okay, and then you should get back the same answer one. You solve this, you get 6. So move to the 6. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, did I do anything wrong here? And this is 13. Ayoyo. So 13 minus 9, how much? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ngam ngam ho. See the same thing. You understand what I'm talking? Do you want me to repeat again? Okay. Now, let's say we have 0.00567. Micrometer lah. Don't want. 5.67 micrometer. Now, I always say fill in the blank. 5.67 micro. Takia times 10 to the power what? Is -6. Am I right? This is very easy. I do nothing. I just substitute below it. You know what I'm talking? What do you, I want to revert it back. Meaning I want to put a micrometer in my answers. I already put a micrometer. Means I already take out micrometer from my answers. So I have to give back, which is 6. So that this and this, it become this, which is 1. And the rest you can just copy down. You know what I'm talking? You see, I do nothing. You know what I'm talking? See, I do nothing. I just keep on copying only. Actually, up to here, your answer is already out. So you get 5.67 micrometer. That's it. Okay, another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, the same question. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, 7. Let's say this is the megapascal. So this is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mega stand for what? 6. See, I do nothing, I just fill in the blank. Is this standard form? No. Standard form, this one must be less than 10. Am I right? So I have to divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to divide 1 to the power of 6 zeros, right? Divide. So I have to give back to this, right? So I get I get 1.3234567 times 10 to the power of 6 plus 6 Pascal. Am I right? You know what I'm trying to say here?
So let's say it's -6, then you write -6 also.
What do you mean -6? If let's say
Let's say
this is micro one.
Yeah.
If let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 micropascal. Okay, micro is 10^-6. And the rest is copy down. Is this a standard form? No. So I have to divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to divide. So I have to give back, right? Less than 10. I thought you already learned this in your IGCSE maths. Okay. Now this one you get 0. 10 and 10 to the power of 0, which is 1. You get this. Okay, now what if I want to terbalik? I want to revert back to the prefix. So how? So meaning what 1 point, let's say I have this question, 1.23456 times 10 to the power of 12 Pascal. I want to put in the form of micro. How? I want to put in the form of micro. This question. So I already put a micro here. I want to change it back. So I put a 10 to the 6 lah. Am I right? I want to cancel off this thing. How? You know what I'm talking or not?
So just plus 6, is it?
What plus 6? You see, okay,
You see
my
what I
question is,
swap?
change this into micropascal. How? Okay, now this is what? Yeah, times 6. Okay, and then the rest is just copy down. If you know why is it times 6, it will be great. If you don't know, it's okay. Memorize also can. Then this is your answer.
Oh, because the numbers are not numbers.
I want to cancel off this thing. You see, I don't do any. I don't. When this one, when you solve these two together, it's actually 1. Correct? 10 to the power 6 times 10 to the power -6 is how much? Hello? It's 1. I do nothing. I'm just changing into another form. And then I solve this and then I get the answer. Now another one. Let's say this question. 1.23456 Pascal. I want to change to nanopascal then. So I have to times 10 to the power what? No? Yes. And the rest you just copy down. That's it. Yeah, you have to negative it. If I have 1.245 megapascal, I want to change to Pascal. So mega times 10 to the power 6. Correct? The rest just copy down. Question, of course. Okay. Depends on question. My notes doesn't really contain a lot of stuff. My talking, my lesson, my teaching is important. Okay. Okay, now past year questions we have done up to here. So the rest, can I give you all as homework? Yeah.
Preferably not.
We'll discuss, don't worry. I don't want to give you so much stress and demotivate you. Okay. We'll go through question by